Imagine a land of contrasts where deserts give way to lush jungles and ancient ruins whisper secrets of a bygone era. Welcome to Mexico, a country with a natural landscape as diverse as it is enchanting. Join us on a journey through this incredible landscape and discover the beauty that lies within. Mexico's natural wonders are a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and emotions. From the towering cacti of the Baja California Peninsula to the vibrant quetzal birds of Chiapas, each region offers a unique glimpse into the country's rich tapestry of ecosystems. As we explore these diverse landscapes, we'll uncover the stories of resilience, adaptation, and beauty that make Mexico's natural heritage so special. The arid north, Baja California Peninsula, and Chihuahuan Desert. Our journey begins in the arid north, where the Baja California Peninsula and the Chihuahuan Desert reign supreme. In the Baja California Peninsula, towering cacti like the Cardon and Serio stand as silent guardians of the desert, while the elusive roadrunner darts among the rocks. The Vizcaíno Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the peninsula's unique flora and fauna. Here, the rare and ancient elephant tree, with its gnarled branches and thick, succulent leaves, has adapted to survive in the harsh desert conditions. The reserve is also home to the peninsular pronghorn, an endangered species found nowhere else on Earth. As we move further east, we enter the Chihuahuan Desert, the largest desert in North America. This vast expanse is dotted with prickly pear cacti and is home to the enigmatic desert fox, also known as the kit fox. These small nocturnal creatures have large ears that help them regulate their body temperature and locate prey in the cool desert nights. The Chihuahuan Desert is also a haven for bird enthusiasts, with species like the cactus wren, the greater roadrunner, and the golden eagle thriving in this arid landscape. One of the most striking features of the Chihuahuan Desert is the Samalayuca Dunes, a sea of shifting sand that stretches for miles. These dunes are formed by the intense winds that sweep across the desert, creating rippling patterns and towering sandhills. The dunes are also home to a unique ecosystem, with plants like the soap tree yucca and the sand verbena adapted to thrive in the constantly shifting sands. And let's not forget the Copper Canyon, a breathtaking chasm that is even deeper than the Grand Canyon, revealing the Earth's ancient past. This system of 6 canyons, carved by the rivers that flow through the Sierra Madre Occidental, is a testament to the power of water and time. The walls of the canyons are adorned with a tapestry of colors, from the deep reds and oranges of the volcanic rock to the lush greens of the vegetation that clings to the cliff faces. The Copper Canyon is also home to the Tarahumara people, an indigenous group known for their incredible endurance and ability to run long distances through the rugged terrain. The serene Central Highlands, colonial towns, and pine forests. As we venture into the Central Highlands, the landscape transforms into a serene oasis of pine forests and colorful flowers. Here, picturesque colonial towns like San Miguel de Allende and Guanajuato invite us to step back in time and immerse ourselves in Mexico's rich cultural heritage. San Miguel de Allende, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a stunning example of Mexican Baroque architecture. The town's cobblestone streets are lined with vibrant, colorful buildings, and the iconic Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel, with its neo-Gothic facade, towers over the main square. The city is also known for its thriving art scene, with numerous galleries, studios, and artisanal markets showcasing the work of local artists. Just a short drive from San Miguel de Allende, the city of Guanajuato awaits. This former mining town is nestled in a narrow valley, with winding streets and alleyways that lead to hidden plazas and charming colonial buildings. The city is also famous for its underground streets, or callejones, which were once used as a network of tunnels for mining carts. Today, these tunnels have been transformed into pedestrian walkways, offering a unique and mysterious way to explore the city. The nearby Sierra Gorda Biosphere Reserve is a testament to the region's biodiversity, boasting an array of orchids, bromeliads, and birds like the vibrant green jay. This protected area is home to an incredible variety of flora and fauna. The reserve's lush cloud forests are particularly noteworthy, with towering trees draped in moss and epiphytes, creating a mystical atmosphere. The area is also a haven for birdwatchers, with over 300 species recorded, including the resplendent quetzal, the red-lord Amazon, and the great curassow. This geological wonder is surrounded by lush vegetation and is home to a unique ecosystem, including several endemic species of plants and animals. The lush south, Yucatan Peninsula and Chiapas Highlands. In the south, the Yucatan Peninsula beckons with its lush jungles and crystal-clear cenotes. The air is filled with the haunting calls of howler monkeys and the vibrant songs of toucans and parrots. The Chiapas Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a prime example of the peninsula's stunning biodiversity. This protected area encompasses tropical forests, mangroves, and coral reefs, providing a sanctuary for an incredible array of wildlife. The reserve is home to over 300 species of birds, including the vibrant flamingo, the roseate spoonbill, and the colorful motmot. The dense jungles are also a haven for mammals such as the Central American tapir, the white-lipped peccary, and the elusive jaguar. Along the coast, the vibrant coral reefs of Cozumel invite us to dive into a world of color and wonder. This island, located off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, is renowned for its incredible marine biodiversity. The Mesoamerican Barrier Reef System, the second largest coral reef system in the world, runs along the coast of Cozumel, providing a sanctuary for an astonishing variety of marine life. Divers and snorkelers can explore the vibrant coral gardens, marveling at the colorful fish, sea turtles, and even the occasional shark. One of the most fascinating features of the Yucatan Peninsula is its network of cenotes, or natural sinkholes, that dot the landscape. These crystal-clear pools are formed by the collapse of limestone bedrock, revealing underground rivers and caves. The Ceno de dos Ojos, located near the coastal town of Tulum, is a stunning example of these natural wonders. This cenote consists of two interconnected pools, with a massive underwater cave system that extends for miles. Divers and snorkelers can explore the clear turquoise waters, marveling at the intricate rock formations and the shafts of sunlight that pierce through the jungle canopy above. As we move into the Chiapas highlands, misty cloud forests and cascading waterfalls greet us. The El Triunfo Biosphere Reserve, nestled in the Sierra Madre de Chiapas, is a true gem of this region. This protected area is home to an astonishing variety of flora and fauna, including the resplendent quetzal, the horned guan, and the elusive jaguar. The reserve's cloud forests are particularly noteworthy, with towering trees draped in moss and orchids, creating a mystical atmosphere. The El Triunfo Reserve is also known for its stunning waterfalls, such as the Velo de Novia or Bridal Veil, which cascades over a sheer cliff face into a deep turquoise pool below. The Lacandon jungle, located in the eastern part of Chiapas, is another testament to the region's incredible biodiversity. This vast expanse of tropical rainforest is home to the Lacandon people, an indigenous group known for their deep connection to the land and their traditional way of life. The jungle is also a haven for an incredible array of wildlife, including the tapir, the spider monkey, and the harpy eagle. One of the most impressive sites in the Lacandon jungle is the Yaxchilan Archaeological Site, an ancient Mayan city nestled deep in the heart of the rainforest. The site is renowned for its intricate stone carvings and hieroglyphic inscriptions, offering a fascinating glimpse into the region's rich cultural history. The Wild West, Pacific Coast, and Sea of Cortez. Mexico's Pacific Coast is a rugged and wild landscape where the desert meets the sea. The Marianas Islands, a protected archipelago off the coast of Nayarit, is a haven for blue-footed boobies and humpback whales. These islands, formed by volcanic activity thousands of years ago, are a true wonder of nature. The crystal-clear waters surrounding the islands are teeming with marine life, including colorful tropical fish, sea turtles, and manta rays. Visitors can snorkel or dive in the waters around the islands, exploring the vibrant coral reefs and underwater caves. In the Sea of Cortez, also known as the Gulf of California, playful dolphins and majestic whale sharks glide through the turquoise waters, a testament to the incredible marine biodiversity of this region. The Sea of Cortez is home to over 800 species of fish. At least 35% of the world's population of whales and dolphins live in the Sea of Cortez. This makes it one of the most biodiverse seas on the planet. Visitors can take boat tours to spot pods of dolphins frolicking in the waves, or even snorkel alongside the gentle giant whale sharks, which can grow up to 40 feet in length. One of the most impressive sites in the Sea of Cortez is the Cabo Pulmo National Marine Park, a protected area that encompasses over 27 square miles of ocean and coastline. This park is home to the oldest and largest coral reef system in the Western Hemisphere, with some coral formations estimated to be over 20,000 years old. This age places them among the oldest in the American Pacific. Whales and dolphins, sea turtles, whale sharks, sea lions, manta rays, and many species of seabirds and colorful fish contribute to the vibrant ecosystem of the region. Visitors can snorkel or dive in the park's waters, exploring the vibrant coral gardens and experiencing the incredible biodiversity of this unique ecosystem. Conservation and human impact. As we marvel at the beauty of Mexico's natural wonders, it's crucial to acknowledge the challenges they face. Climate change, Deforestation and plastic pollution pose significant threats to these delicate ecosystems. By raising awareness and supporting conservation efforts, we can help protect Mexico's natural heritage for generations to come. From sustainable water management in the deserts to eco-friendly tourism practices in the jungles, every action counts. I hope this journey through Mexico's natural wonders has inspired you to explore, appreciate, and protect the incredible landscapes that make our planet so special. Remember, by making sustainable choices and supporting conservation efforts, we can all play a part in preserving these treasures for future generations. If you're ready to embark on your own adventure through Mexico's diverse ecosystems, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your experiences with us in the comments below. Your support helps us continue creating content that celebrates the beauty of our planet and inspires others to cherish it. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the magic of Mexico's natural wonders.